We'll guide you through how to use the selection tool in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita and make sure you have your canvas ready. The selection tool in Krita is essential for isolating parts of your artwork to edit them without affecting the rest of your image. You can find the selection tool in the toolbox on the left side of the screen. It looks like a dotted rectangle icon. Click on it to activate the tool. Once you have the tool selected, you can choose from different selection types at the top toolbar, like rectangular, elliptical, polygonal, or freehand selection, depending on the shape you need. Click and drag on your canvas to create a selection. You'll see a moving dotted line indicating the selected area. If you want to refine your selection, you can hold down the Shift key to add to your selection, or the Alt key to subtract from it. This is helpful if you need to make complex selections. Once you've made your selection, you can go to the Select menu at the top to modify it further with options like Invert Selections or Feather Selection to soften the edges. If you're satisfied with your selection, you can now apply effects, transformations, or color adjustments to just that area. To deselect, simply go to Select and choose Deselect or press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Remember, practicing with the selection tools can greatly enhance your control over your digital artwork. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.